That way. Let's get this party started. Here we go. Hey guys, Chuck House Mopar, welcome back. Out here in the garage, I'll tell you about that in a minute. Today is the first annual Drew Nationals up at our buddy Drew's house. We're having a party. Everybody was invited that was on the Facebook page or whatever. We've met before, actually, hell, you know, for probably 4 years, but this year it's official. So anyway, I'm gonna take the satellite up, Louise, and I'm gonna go hang that banner up right there with some T-posts and go from there. You might notice parts, painted parts. Yeah, I have been painting this morning because I dropped the axle out. Okay, there she is. And then where the springs go, that needed to get touched up. And I don't know when I'm getting back to this, so I need that paint dry when I get back. So it's probably gonna be a couple weeks actually, who knows, week. Anyway, it'll be dry when I get back. So my big goal is not to forget anything. All right, I think I'll show you up there when we're pounding in the signage, if I don't forget that too. Okay, see you in a bit. It's concerning antifreeze. Definitely coming from the car. Louise, what are you dripping, man? Oh. Yeah, man. I don't know. Find out. It was gasoline. I was fooling with the flow levels the other day. At least running warm. Clean the radiator out. It's right up there at the filter. So I'm just going to tighten them up. But here's the thing, guys. You know, I made these lines. That's all right. Just, I don't know why it'd be loose. So I did a double bubble, right? Flare fitting. So what I end up having is the damn, you know, it's too much. They'll start... let me see, maybe it's up above. I hope not. Oh, it is. That sucks. Yeah, so whatever. I gotta see if I can get that tightened up. The double bubble, well, it's too big, and so it ends up splitting a line. Awesome. I'm in my driveway. Can't get too... Something's gonna happen. It's a good spot for it. All right. I fixed it. Just opened up, I guess. Heat cycles, whatever. Anyway, all right, let's go get a sign set up. There we go. We're number one. First one's here, I guess. He's got that pressure washer on. I think I might bring the Savoy over there, blast her off real quick. Let me get my baked beans out of here. All right, hello girls. She's a muscle car. Yeah, so anyway, here's where everything's gonna hide for the winter. So there they are, the ladies, and this one just wishing she could go down the track. Anyway, I'm gonna get the Savoy out, spray it off. This is clean. Race car's probably fine. Anyway, Kane's gonna spray off the mud daubers from that thing. Okay. Hemi Cuda and a V-Code Superbird, boys. What else do you want? We got a group. About 11 o'clock. Look at this rig. Gotta be careful what I listen to because of the copyright stuff. Nice. I have no idea what year this is, guys. Do you? Sweet. I'd own it. I'd own it. Let's go take a look at the Demon. There she is, a Shark's replacement, huh, man?
Yep, I guess so for now. Not too much different from the Shark, but maybe a little better color.
Not a lot. Got the bugs worked out, man. Getting them worked out.
Yeah, it's getting a little better. Oh my God, that drive shaft was night and day difference.
Was it? Yeah.
Now I can actually, yeah, I've drove it to Alton, drove it to
go
Highland
anywhere
numerous times, and actually get some miles on it. And
deep dish Krager SS's.
oh, it's small bolt patterns.
Yeah, that's a drag.
Yeah, but it does have 72 style factory disc brakes up front.
That's good.
8 3/4, you know.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, she don't run too bad. Once you actually get it warmed up and stuff, you know how the metal brocks are.
Right. I thought you were an Edelbrock fan.
Oh, I am.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is that the one I sold you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. It needs a little bit, but
they all do. Nice group. You guys don't remember, Braden had this Shark 72 Dart, got T-boned this summer. And he's got this now, the Demon. That's what that's all about. I thought I'd go over, maybe do a video on that, but I just have not made it over. Yeah, Jerry's owned these. You guys have seen these before. He's owned them since the 70s. V-Code, VOA, boys. Yep, there it is. And our other guy we know, Jeff, he's had that since about 1980, the Superbird. It's been done for a minute. Yep.
yeah, it's not too bad.
watch your son for you guys. I'll take care of him. My daughter-in-law. Say, hey, Braden. Number 3 right here, guys. Yep.
Here he comes, Chucky. Hi, buddy.
This is how we grew up right here.
That's right.
Our mom's neck. Walked over and met the neighbors. I actually came over. We were just talking. Walked over. Beautiful day, boys. What do you think so far? Hope I can get some stuff to make a decent video for y'all. Anyway, yeah, good time. For the first time ever, I don't have to blast out of here at 3 o'clock, get home. Yeah, so here's that building. This is all scrap we clean out of Drew's shed. We're gonna be doing a roof on that thing pretty soon. Yeah, that'll be awesome. We'll see that. My buddy's like, you gotta do another video called The New House in Mopar. I'm like, you're very funny. All right, let's go see who's left over here. Starting to wind down, almost 4. Had a good time, guys. I wish more of you guys could come with us on these things. Just hang out and talk, you know, hang out with your buds. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, gonna hang out for a couple more hours probably and pick up the best part. All right. And just like that, another one of those great days is over. Yeah, we had a blast, you guys. Wish you could have been there. We had a great time. Weren't really down a couple cars. Somebody had a power steering line bust, and this, that, or the other thing. And then there's other commitments too that I can't imagine what's more important than coming to Drew Nationals, but whatever. So anyway, yeah, we had a good time, good food. Everybody got to stick around and hang out. I always had to leave early. I understand there was a burnout contest at the end or something, but we didn't do that tonight anyway. There's other times to show off, but anyway. Like I said, wish all could have been there. We had a great time. Hopefully I can throw together enough little clips here to show what went on, but at any rate, thanks so much for coming along this time. See ya.